Good day everyone, we are the Moro Group and today we will be presenting our cultural mapping project in Moro groups of Mindanao, Sulu. This group represents a rich and diverse heritage that has shaped both Mindanao and Philippine history. As we can see here in the map, the Moro peoples are spread across different parts of Mindanao and Sulu archipelago. The Maranao live across the Lanao Lake, the Maguindanao in Maguindanao Province, Tausug in Sulu Archipelago, Yakan in Basilan, Sama Badjao in Tawi-Tawi and coastal areas, Iranon, Calagan in Mindanao coastal communities. But first, who are the Moro people? Moro refers to the Muslim ethno-linguistic groups in Mindanao, Sulu, and Palawan. The word Moro was first used by a Spanish colonizer to describe the Muslim Filipinos after the Moors in Spain. Today, it refers to the 13 ethno-linguistic groups in Mindanao united by Islam, but each with its own culture, language, and traditions. They have a long history of resisting colonization and maintaining their own sultanates. The first one would be the Maranaos. So, the Maranao are the people of the lake, live around the Lake Lanao in Lanao del Sur. They speak the Maranao language and known for their ukir motifs, singkil dance, and the Torogan house or the royal house for their sultan. Their oral epic was also considered intangible heritage by the UNESCO. But the challenges and issue of Maranaos are the land conflicts and displacement during the armed classes. Here are their ukir motifs, singkil dance, and the example of Torogan house. The next one would be the Maguindanaon. Maguindanaon were found in the fertile valleys of Maguindanao province. Their name is also means people of the flood plains. So they live along the Rio Grande de Mindanao, and they're also known for their weaving of inaul fabrics, traditional music, and kulintang. So Maguindanao Sultanate is known for being the powerful. Historically, they are known to be powerful, the Maguindanao Sultanate. So, but the clan wars called Rido and the insurgency have affected their communities. So, this is the example of inaul fabrics, the kulintang, and the sultanates. We can see the picture is the sultan or their datu. So the next one would be presented by Mr. Marzan.
Okay, the third one, language and culture, is Tausug. The Tausug which means people of the current, are based in the Sulu archipelago. They are known as brave warriors, sailors, and traders. The Tausug are the keepers of Sulu Sultanate and the Pangalay dance, which is graceful and sea-inspired. They are also famous for their delicious dishes like teola itum, a beef soup cooked with burnt coconut. And this is the example of Tausug. The first one is Pangalay dance, and the next one, as the language and culture, is Yakan. The Yakan are indigenous to Basilan Island. These speak the Yakan language and are famous for their weaving, especially their colorful textiles with intricate patterns. They also practice face painting during rituals and weddings. Despite their rich traditions, many Yakan families have been displaced due to conflicts and Basilan. And the next one is example of Yakan. The first one is Yakan webbing, and second one is Yakan brasswork, and third one is Yakan bedwork, and the last one is Yakan face painting. And the next one, language and culture, is Sama Badjao. The Sama Badjao, sometimes called the Sea Gypsies, live in Tawi-Tawi and coastal communities across Mindanao, and many of them are both dwellers and expert fishermen. They can dive and stay underwater longer than most people, making them excellent sea harvesters. Sadly, many Sama-Bajau are marginalized and some end up migrating to cities where they are often seen begging.
The Iranun live in parts of Maguindanao, Lanao, and Cotabato. Historically, they were known as great sailors and warriors, feared as maritime raiders during the pre-colonial and Spanish periods. Today, they maintain their traditions while also blending into neighboring Moro groups. However, they remain less recognized compared to the Maranao and Maguindanaon. Here's the Iranon people culture. Next is Kalagan. The Kalagan, also known as Kaagan, live in Davao Gulf and Compostela Valley. They practice a blend of Islam and indigenous beliefs. Many are farmers, cultivating rice and corn. Their rituals and farming practices reflect both their Islamic faith and ancestral traditions. As a smaller minority, they often face land issues and lack of recognition. Here's the Kalagan people culture. As we have seen, the Moro peoples are not one single group, but a family of diverse ethno-linguistic communities. They share Islam as their unifying faith, but each tribe has its own unique culture, language, and traditions. Their struggles and contributions continue to shape the Philippines today.